There are many running smartwatches available in the market, each with different features, designs, and prices. Depending on your preferences, needs, and budget, you may find one that suits you best. Here are some of the best running smartwatches. So, let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Garmin 10 2293 10 Instinct Smartwatch. It looks like you are interested in the Garmin 10 2293 10 Instinct Solar, rugged outdoor smartwatch with solar charging capabilities, built-in sports apps and health monitoring, graphite. This is a smartwatch that is designed for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. It has a solar charging lens, which extends the battery life of the watch by harvesting power from the sun. According to Garmin, this watch can last up to 54 days in smartwatch mode, up to 38 hours in GPS mode, and up to 145 hours in expedition mode with solar charging. It has a variety of built-in sports apps that let you monitor your activities and fitness levels. Some of the sports apps include running, biking, swimming, hiking, skiing, surfing, golfing, and more. You can also use the Garmin Connect app to sync your data, customize your watch face. Number 2. Garmin 10 2063 Zero Triathlon Smartwatch. Premium GPS running, a triathlon smartwatch with music. Download songs to your watch, including playlists from Spotify. Performance monitoring features include VO2 max and training status, with adjustments for heat, altitude acclimation status, training load focus, recovery time, and aerobic and anaerobic training effects. Full-color, onboard maps guide you on your run so you never get lost during your workout. Safety and tracking features include incident detection during select activities, which sends your real-time location to emergency contacts through your paired compatible smartphone. Battery life, up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode, 10 hours in GPS mode with music, or up to 60 hours in ultra-track mode. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 44mm smartwatch. Galaxy Watch 4 is the first smartwatch to offer body composition data right on your wrist, on your own schedule. Now you can get readings on body fat, skeletal muscle, body water, basal metabolic rate, and body mass index. Water resistance depth, 50 meters. Supported application, fitness tracker, GPS, sleep monitor. Wake up feeling refreshed and recharged with advanced sleep tracking. When you go to bed, your Galaxy Watch for Sleep Tracker starts monitoring your sleep and SpO2 levels continuously. Get the most out of every exercise session with advanced workout tracking that recognizes 6 popular activities, from running to rowing to swimming, automatically in just 3 minutes. Improve your runs with advanced running coaching technology. VO2 max readings assess your oxygen levels to manage and track your heart and lung endurance. Put the phone features you need right on your wrist and stay connected to calls, texts, notifications, and music streaming, all accessible with a simple tap. Number 4. Apple Watch Series 7 Running Smartwatch. It seems like you are interested in the Apple Watch Series 7 GPS 41mm Smartwatch W product. Red aluminum case with product, red sport band. This is a smartwatch that offers many features for health, fitness, and connectivity. It has a larger and brighter display than the previous models, with a 41mm case size and an always-on Retina display that shows more information and colors. It has a GPS feature, which allows you to track your location, speed, distance, and route without your iPhone. You can also use the built-in compass and altimeter to navigate and measure elevation. These can help you detect potential health issues and alert you if something is wrong. It is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, and supports notifications, calls, messages, music, Siri, Apple Pay, and more. You can also customize your watch face with different styles, colors, and complications. Number 5. Garmin Enduro Ultraperformance Multisport GPS Watch. Power glass solar charging lens harvests the sun's energy, giving you more power and time between charges. Power Manager and Battery Saver modes allow you to toggle sensors on and off to extend battery life on the run. Rugged, lightweight design features an always-on 1.4 display and steel or DLC-coated titanium bezel, buttons, and rear case. Trail Run VO2 Max tracks your cardiovascular fitness level and adjusts based on trail conditions. Ultra Run Activity with Rest Timer allows you to log your time spent at aid stations. Climb Pro Trail Enhancements gives you information for descents and flats for additional safety and awareness. Use run or walk detection to review after training sessions or races where on course you walked, such as steep climbs. See your recovery time and your next recommended workout based on your sleep and wellness data.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.